Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cassidy and today I'm going to be showing you how I make thumbnails using the Canva website. First, we're going to look for a YouTube thumbnail template that we can base our design off of. Canva also has templates available for YouTube banners, intros, outros, and more, so let me know if you would like to see any of those in another video. So here we can see all of the thumbnail templates that are available. There's beauty ones, vlog, gaming, lifestyle, any type of video you make, there's probably a template already available for you to use. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a template that's fairly simple to work with just so I can show you all of the options you have for customization. The first thing that we're going to do is change the text. So if you click into the box and backspace, you can type anything you want. Next, we're going to change the background photo. On the left sidebar, you can click Photos and there's lots of stock images for you to pick from. I clicked the computer category. You can also search by typing in what you're looking for. Once you've found a photo that fits the theme of your video, you can drag it over and it'll fill up the whole space. The next thing I'm going to do is change the color of the box behind the text. You have the option to pick colors that are in the photo, or you can pick any color of the rainbow. Experiment with different colors until you can read the text easily and make it pop. Since I chose a dark background color, I'm going to make the text a little bit lighter. Just select the text you want to change and pick a color on the left. Now I'm going to change the font of the text. So once again, if you select it and then pick the font at the top, you have a lot of different options on the left. They do have some pro features that you can only use if you pay for an account, but they have a lot of great free ones as well. At this point, I decided that the square was too dark, so I decided to add a pop of color to make the thumbnail feel more inviting. To finish off the design, I'm going to add different elements. First, I searched for the YouTube logo. There's a few different free ones, so I picked the first one and dragged it over to the design. Once it's there, you can resize it to be as big or as small as you want and drag it to exactly where you want it to be. For a lot of the clip art elements, you can also change the color to better match your theme, just how we changed the color of the text and the text background. Next, I'm going to add the Canva logo the exact same way. If you want to delete an element, text, or a shape, just click it and hit the delete key and it'll go away. Now we're going to make another design completely from scratch. So instead of picking one of the templates like we did before, we just have this nice white background that we can start with. So first I went to the background tab and I'm going to look for a nice high quality background image that we can use. At the top of this section, you can also pick a nice solid color. You can upload a photo yourself in the upload section, or you can do what we did before and drag and drop any photo you'd like. I picked this nice light pink marble background, and now I'm going to add a shape that we can write text over. I'm going to click the square shape and drag it over. It puts it directly in the center, but I'm going to go ahead and resize it to more of a large rectangle. Once I have it the size I want, I will go ahead and drag it until I see the pink lines that show that it's directly centered. Now I'm just changing the color of the rectangle so that it's white and we can put darker text over it. And in the upper right corner, I'm going to click the transparency setting and lower it just a little bit so we can see the background image coming through. Once again, on the left, we're going to click the text option and choose the style that we want. They have cursive, all caps, lots of different font styles to pick from. Once you choose the one that fits the type of design you like, you can go ahead and click in the box and type whatever you want. Just like we resized the rectangle, we can also resize the text box just to make it fit a little bit better. Once you've typed your title, you can center it just like we did with the rectangle. You could also align the text differently, make it bold, italic, whatever you want to do. Another option that I didn't use for this tutorial, but it's good to be aware of, is the style section. So they have fonts and color schemes that you could use to brand your channel and keep a consistent look throughout all of your thumbnails. Now right now it's looking a little bit plain, so I'm going to go back to the Elements tab and search for Design to see what kind of graphics I could use to enhance the thumbnail. I really liked these little squiggly things, so I'm going to go ahead and add that on, change the color so that it better matches the background, and put it right up in the corner so it's out of the way of the text. And that is pretty much it. Of course, we could keep messing with the colors, the fonts, the pictures, anything we want until we're satisfied with it, but that pretty much covers all of the basics of how to make a thumbnail using the Canva website. Now they do have an app for iPhone and Android, I believe, so if you'd like me to cover that in another video, let me know. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, guys!